This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide photo on Macbook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you have some pictures you'd rather not shown alongside your regular photo album in Photo Max, you can hide those photos and then use a special hidden photos album to contain the hidden image and browse them separately. So this hidden picture will be self-contained and separate from the regular album views, so they can still be easily accessed from the Photos app on Mac. So how to do it? If you want to hide your photos from your album on MacBook, it's very simple. First of all, of course, you can open your photo album, and in here you can just choose on the photos that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this photo. You can select on the photo. You can just click right on your on this photo. After that, you'll find there is an option hide one photo. Because you want to hide this photo, you can just select on hide photo. This photo will be hidden from all places in your library but can be found in the hidden album. You can just click on hide. So now you can see you have hide your photo, specific photo from your album. It's very simple, right? You can also hide more than one photo. I will try to hide this one too. Now I will hide it. Hide. Can we hide multiple photos at once? Of course. So you can just select on the photos that you want to hide. Now you can click right. Now hide four photos. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide photos from your album on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!